Imagine hundreds of drones silently slicing through the night sky, zeroing in on a heavily guarded Russian train station, and in mere moments, chaos erupts as explosions light up the horizon. What happened next will shock you and change everything you thought you knew about modern warfare. Welcome back to the channel, Future Force, Skies, and Skills. Please subscribe and like my videos. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most jaw-dropping and game-changing moments in modern warfare, the Ukrainian drone strike on a Russian train station that shook the region and sent shockwaves through military strategists around the world. This wasn't just another strike, it was a demonstration of precision, intelligence, and sheer technological mastery. From the sleek exterior design of these drones to the deeply strategic interior systems powering their every move, this incident showcases the evolution of warfare in the drone age. So, stay with me till the end as we explore the full story, how it happened, why it mattered, and what it means for the future of combat and defense technology. The story begins in the cold hours before dawn when Ukrainian surveillance detected a high-value Russian train convoy stationed deep behind enemy lines. This wasn't any ordinary train, it was a military transport loaded with supplies, fuel, and potentially ammunition heading toward the occupied front lines. The Ukrainian forces decided to deploy their latest generation of combat drones, a fleet equipped with high-endurance batteries, night vision optics, and laser targeting systems. The exterior of these drones is nothing short of impressive, designed with stealth technology to avoid radar detection, lightweight carbon fiber bodies to minimize noise, and aerodynamic frames to maintain stability even under harsh wind resistance. Their shape and color tone allow them to blend seamlessly into the night sky, reducing visual detection from both the ground and air defenses. The exterior design also reflects a combination of engineering finesse and battlefield practicality. These drones are compact but powerful, with modular wings that can be detached and reassembled quickly for transport or field repair. The body features heat-absorbing materials that reduce infrared signatures, making it difficult for Russian anti-air defense systems to detect them through thermal sensors. Every inch of the drone's shell serves a tactical purpose, from the silent propeller design to the high-density power cells that can run for hours without requiring a recharge. Compared to traditional fighter aircraft or even older drone models, this new class of Ukrainian drones feels like a generation leap forward. Now, stepping inside the heart of these machines, the interior systems, this is where the true magic happens. The core of the Ukrainian drone program lies in its sophisticated AI-driven guidance and communication network. The interior framework includes multiple layers of navigation control, encrypted data transmission modules, and an intelligent targeting algorithm that can differentiate between moving and stationary targets. The onboard computer uses real-time satellite data, combined with local reconnaissance feeds, to constantly adjust flight paths and optimize strike precision. The internal design is compact yet astonishingly efficient. Inside, each drone houses a gyroscopic stabilizer system that ensures accuracy during flight, even in turbulent conditions. The internal hardware integrates sensors that detect atmospheric pressure, altitude, temperature, and even electromagnetic interference, all helping the drone make micro adjustments in milliseconds. The central control board uses an advanced neural processor capable of learning from past missions, allowing the drone to improve its flight dynamics and targeting accuracy over time. In simple terms, every strike makes the next one smarter. The interior also includes an automated payload management system that can adjust the balance depending on the type of weapon it's carrying. For example, if the drone carries a smaller explosive, the AI redistributes weight to maintain aerodynamic stability. If it's a heavier payload, the drone compensates by altering its flight altitude and velocity. These systems work harmoniously to make sure each strike lands exactly where it's intended, minimizing collateral damage. Communication between drones during the attack was also a key feature. They operated in a swarm formation, a coordinated group of multiple drones communicating wirelessly through encrypted mesh networks. If one drone was jammed or destroyed, others instantly took over its route or target lock. This internal coordination system proved nearly impossible to disrupt because it didn't rely on a single control hub. Instead, it used distributed intelligence, where every drone could act independently but still remain in formation. During the actual strike on the Russian train station, these drones showcased their performance in the most dramatic way imaginable. They flew low and silent over the tree line, undetected until the final seconds. As they reached the target area, thermal cameras and motion sensors identified multiple carriages filled with supplies. Within moments, the drones launched precision, guided munitions that struck the train's fuel tanks and ammunition cars. The resulting explosion illuminated the night sky, sending shockwaves that could be felt miles away. The performance of these drones was flawless, minimal deviation, maximum impact. Performance-wise, this strike set a new benchmark for drone warfare. Each unit flew over 150 kilometers without refueling, maintained stable connections even under heavy jamming attempts, and struck targets with an accuracy margin of less than 1 meter. This kind of precision once required expensive manned fighter jets or guided missiles. Now, with compact drones costing a fraction of the price, Ukraine has demonstrated that modern warfare is not about size, it's about smart technology, adaptability, and precision. In terms of safety features, these drones were built with multiple fail-safe systems. If communication is lost, the drone automatically returns to base using GPS recall coordinates. In cases of emergency, the drone's onboard software can trigger a self-destruct mechanism to prevent enemy capture. The Flight AI also prevents accidental targeting of civilian structures by using geo-fenced coordinates preloaded before launch. These safety features ensure that even in the chaos of war, ethical and controlled operations remain a top priority. Additionally, the use of lightweight materials reduces the chance of debris causing unintended damage after an explosion. The precision of their strikes helps avoid widespread collateral destruction, making them a more responsible option compared to indiscriminate artillery or airstrikes. Another critical safety mechanism lies in their encryption protocols. Communication between operators and drones is shielded with military-grade security keys that refresh every few seconds, preventing enemy interception or hacking. These layers of protection keep the system secure even in regions where electronic warfare attempts are intense. Furthermore, Ukrainian engineers have added redundancy circuits that allow the drones to maintain control even under GPS spoofing, ensuring they never get diverted by enemy interference. Now, the unique selling points of these drones are what truly set them apart. Unlike older or foreign-made UAV, Ukrainian combat drones combine cost efficiency, AI intelligence, and modularity. They can be quickly assembled and deployed from mobile units, meaning troops can launch them from anywhere, forests, rooftops, or even moving vehicles. Their modular nature allows operators to swap payloads in minutes, transforming the drone from a surveillance unit into a strike weapon. Another standout feature is the hybrid propulsion system that combines electric and fuel-powered options, allowing longer flight times and flexible mission planning. The Ukrainian drone program also emphasizes independence from foreign components. Over 80% of the internal systems are domestically produced, ensuring security and supply chain reliability. Their open architecture software makes it easy to update or reprogram for different mission types. These drones aren't just tools, they're adaptive systems that evolve with each battle. The intelligence integration also allows them to work alongside ground-based missile defense and satellite tracking systems, creating a fully synchronized battlefield environment. In terms of price, these drones are astonishingly cost-effective compared to traditional military assets. A single drone costs less than 1% of what a modern fighter jet or cruise missile would require, yet it delivers similar destructive capability for tactical strikes. This low cost allows Ukraine to deploy them in large numbers without draining its defense budget. In modern military economics, that's a huge advantage, overwhelming the enemy with affordable precision rather than a few expensive assets. The aftermath of the train station strike was immediate and dramatic. Satellite images showed the destruction of several carriages, widespread fire damage, and disrupted supply chains across the region. Russia's logistics network suffered a significant setback as key supply lines were forced to reroute, delaying troop reinforcements. Ukrainian command described the operation as a symbol of precision and resilience, highlighting that not a single civilian casualty was reported in the area. The psychological impact of this strike was just as powerful as the physical one. Russian soldiers reportedly faced confusion and fear, realizing that no distance from the front line was truly safe. The attack sent a clear message that Ukrainian technology and tactical intelligence could reach deep into occupied territory with pinpoint accuracy. It also showcased Ukraine's growing autonomy in drone development, proving that their engineers and strategists were capable of competing with some of the most advanced systems in the world. From a technological standpoint, this incident serves as a glimpse into the future of warfare. The combination of AI-driven decision-making, real-time coordination, and scalable production has redefined what's possible in modern conflict. Ukraine's success with these drones is already inspiring similar advancements in other nations, who now see unmanned systems as the key to future defense strategies. In conclusion, the Ukrainian drone strike on the Russian train station wasn't just a military event, it was a statement of innovation, precision, and determination. The exterior design demonstrated stealth and resilience. The interior revealed a level of intelligence and efficiency rarely seen in small combat systems. The performance shattered expectations, proving drones could execute high-risk missions flawlessly. Their safety features showcased responsibility and control even in wartime, and their unique selling points marked a new era in cost-effective warfare. The price makes them accessible, the precision makes them invaluable, and the message they send is unmistakable. The battlefield is changing forever. Ukraine's drone technology has proven that brains can defeat brawn, and innovation can outmaneuver brute force. What happened at that Russian train station was not just a strike, it was a warning to the world that the age of autonomous warfare has truly arrived. So, if you found this deep dive into the Ukrainian drone strike fascinating, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Future Force Skies and Skills, and stay tuned because the next chapter in drone warfare might be even more unbelievable than this one.